So VJ Edgecombe says some interesting things. So he pretty much says, with Big Fella and B back there, I think we're gonna win the ship. Now I understand this is his first season. I really don't like when rookies say, "Yo, we're gonna win a championship first year." I really don't like that. But I do like what the 76ers got going. Obviously, they got Tyrese Maxey, Edgecombe. Jared McCain will be back from injury. Kelly Oubre, like they're just playing their role, and Paul George will be back and stuff like that, right? I don't think they go win a chip, but I do think VJ Edgecombe is going to learn a lot about this team, especially about Joel, because he's going to learn that Joel can never stay healthy. He has never played with Joel, right, in the postseason, right? He hasn't. This is going to be the first time. And he's going to be like, wow, this dude can't stay healthy at all. And then he's going to realize, yo, it's time to trade him. The future is the 76ers, is Maxine Edgecombe. That's it. So don't get too excited, VJ, because when the 76ers need Joel the most, he's never there.